If you want a woman to chase you, always think about you non-stop. Do this. This is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. To my returning subscribers, thank you. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your thoughts what you think about this video. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the very first person to see it. Let's head into the topic of today. So most men are with women, but these women can't chase. They keep chasing them, keep complaining, but the women keep doing the same thing. So if you want her to chase, think about you even when you're not in the room, when you're not there. Start doing this. Number one, be flirty. Each time you're around, flirt with her. Say things that makes her laugh, that makes her jiggle, that makes her happy. Each time you guys are around, have conversations, ask deep questions, have deep conversations. Then when you leave, you're focused on yourself. Yes, you call, you check up, you test, but you're not desperate with it. Now, because of that flirting, most of the times, you will call, you will text, say something that she will hold on to, maybe throughout that day. Something like, I like your smile. Your smile always make you look different. Something that she will remember even when she's cooking, she's working in her workplace, she will just on her own, she will smile. This is why when your woman start cheating on you, on her own, you will see her smiling for no reason. She will be smiling from ear to ear for no reason. When you ask her, I just remember something. If it has nothing to do with you, those things she's remembering, you've not said anything, then you know that someone else is saying it to her. Women generally are moved by what they hear. This is why most guys who are playboys, they get away with every woman they want to because of they are good with words. So if you're flirty, it makes your woman to always remember you. Then there is a difference between you being flirty and being desperate. So most times you're flirty, but you're being desperate. You push too much, you're too focused on her, you don't give attention to yourself, you don't give to yourself, you do too much, you even do things that even when she doesn't even appreciate. It's only things she appreciates that you know that because you're doing it, she loves it, she appreciates it, and she's also doing for you. Then, and you are being flirted, this is the only time she's going to always chase. She's going to miss you. She always wants you. Most times, we even go as far as, if we miss you too much, we go as far as even wearing your clothes just to feel your smell. So if you do this, your woman is always going to think of you. And you know, when a woman is always thinking about you, she doesn't even want to think or remember any other man. Then secondly, always be positive. Most of you are always negative. You allow your problems to overwhelm you. You always complain. See, life is full of ups and downs. Everything will not go the way you want it. Sometimes some things will go haywire. Sometimes things will go south. Sometimes things that you feel you are in control of, you're handling, they will not go the way you planned it. So the way you're calm and composed and you handle your composure at that time will determine if you're positive or you're negative. Most men, they will start beating themselves up. Most men, they will start talking down on themselves. Oh, this thing. Oh, I thought I had this under control. I am not good with anything. I am bad with this. Anything that makes you negative, your woman would never ever think of you because she wants you to always have everything under control, including your emotions, including your reaction. So if you can't control your emotions, you can't control how you react to things that are negative. You can't control how you react to things that happen to you. So it means even when she throw jabs at you, she misbehave, you will always give reaction. This is one of the ways we know that you will always give reaction. And if we know you will always give reaction, we will always poke you so you could give that reaction. So, but if she sees that you're positive, you're always handling everything with maturity, you're putting your emotions first before your feelings in everything you do, then you know that that woman, you're mastering your emotions, you're not putting your feelings first before it. That woman is always going to remember you. Anytime she needs something, because you could handle yours, she will call you, she will tell you. So you guys will have conversations, communication. Even when you guys have misunderstanding, argument, you're not making it look like the whole world is on you. You start running helter skelter, you start shouting, you start yelling. No, she knows that she trusts that you will handle it. You don't run away from problem. No matter how difficult the problem is, no matter how difficult the conversation is, you must have it. If you're a man who run away from issues, most men are they are most men are they are peacemakers. They just want peace. There is an issue, if you keep it, if you leave it, it will linger for long. And the more you leave issues, the more resentful the both of you will be for each other. So every issues that come, you settle it, you tackle it, you don't leave it hanging. And when you're tackling it, you don't shift blame. Oh, this is why you've been doing this for so long. You've been doing this. You tackle the issue as it comes. This is why, as a man, if you run away from issues, you will notice that if another thing happen, you will reference the ones that have passed. And a woman doesn't want you to always bring the past. In as you guys have talked about it, you've settled it, let it end there. So that subsequent ones that will come, you guys will keep tackling it. But if you keep referencing, oh, yesterday you did this, day before yesterday you did this, last year you did this, last 2 years you did this, and you never spoke about it, you never said anything about it. So she felt you're very, very comfortable with it. So now that you're bringing it up, it shows you were never comfortable with it. But why were you quiet? So this is why, if you bring those issues, immediately you leave her, she just forget about you. She will not think about you. She will not say anything about you. She will not even want to call. She will not want to check in. She will not want to test. You just see her just like that. You'll be the one putting all the energy, all the effort. She's not making any sacrifices. She's not making any commitment. She's just there. And the moment your woman start behaving like that, it shows she can really easily get distracted by someone else, especially if someone is doing that thing she knows you're not doing. That attention she craves from you, even though you're giving attention, but at this time you're giving the wrong attention because she's not ready to give the feedback. She's not ready to match your energy. But another person will give it, because the person will always have conversations with her, tell her, oh, this thing you did, babe, I don't like it, in a polite and a respectful manner. But the person is not really overreacting. The next thing, she start falling in love with that person. So most of these things makes your women not to think about you, not to really chase you the way they are supposed to chase, not to make you feel love, not to reciprocate your effort, not to give you what you really want from them in that relationship. So if you find yourself doing any of this, stop. Yes, stop. It will not gain you anything. So learn to always master your emotions. Whenever you're speaking, don't speak with emotions. Speak because you know what you're saying. Be firm in your words and don't get carried away. Oh, because I feel this way, so I must react to it. If you do, you're giving your power away to her. And the more you give your power away, the more you will never if you give your power away, you will never lead her again in that relationship. She start leading and you start listening. So if you don't want that, make sure you listen to this video, apply it, come back to say thank you. Don't forget, this is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to always stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Don't forget to share, like, and drop your thought. What you think about this video. Thank you.